To make your own custom ornaments, you will need Jenga pieces, your image, and a glue gun. Glue the Jenga pieces together into the shape of a frame. You want to start by gluing 2 L-shaped pieces twice, and then glue the 2 L-shaped pieces together to form the frame. You could paint or stain the pieces now and set them aside to dry. Trim down the image so that they fit just behind the square outline. Cut a piece of yarn and tie the 2 ends together with a knot, forming a loop. Glue the yarn to the back edge of the frame. Add to your tree and this craft is complete. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.